Hello and welcome to the Purple Podcast. Today we're stepping away from the usual political debates and talking about something different, artificial intelligence. Lately, every conversation about AI feels really extreme. Either it's going to replace everyone's jobs, take over the world, or it's completely harmless and just another piece of technology. But if you look at what's actually happening, the truth is somewhere in the middle. AI isn't magic and it's not evil. It's a tool, and like any tool, it depends on how we use it. Right now, AI is already part of your everyday life. It decides what shows up on your social media feed, what music gets recommended to you, and even how certain assignments get graded. Companies are using it to write code, analyze huge amounts of data, and automate tasks that used to take hours. In a lot of ways, it is making things faster and more efficient than ever before. But there's another side to this. As AI improves, it is getting harder to tell what is real and what is not. Deepfakes, AI-generated writing, and even cloned voices are becoming more common. If something looks real and sounds real, most people will believe it. That creates a serious problem. If we cannot trust what we are seeing or hearing, it becomes harder to trust anything at all. The speed of this change is something that most people underestimate. We usually think of technology as something that develops slowly, but AI is moving really fast. Tools that didn't exist a year ago are now being used by millions of people. And this is not limited to one industry. It is affecting education, healthcare, business, and even national security. At the same time, our digital footprint is growing. Every time we use AI, we are giving it more data. That data is used to make systems smarter, but also raises questions about privacy and control. Who owns that data? How is it being used? And who decides what is fair? The good news is that this is not the first time society has faced a challenge like this. New technologies have always forced people to adapt. The internet changed how we communicate. Smartphones changed how we live day to day. And while there were problems, people learned how to manage them over time. The same thing can happen with AI, but only if we pay attention now. So, what can you do? You do not need to be a programmer or an expert to be part of the solution. Being aware of how AI works, questioning what you see online, and thinking critically about the information you consume already makes a difference. The more people understand it, the harder it becomes to misuse it. At the end of the day, AI is not something happening far away from us. It is something we interact with every single day. The question is not whether it will shape the future. It already is. The real question is whether we choose to understand it or just let shape things without us. Thanks for listening.